super excited about being here for South by Southwest 2022 at the Center for Autonomous Robotics, and this collaboration space for all of those things that we really want to get after.
I am super excited to be here because of all of the technology that is on display. You're not just seeing it on spreadsheets and diagrams and things like that. You actually get to see it in practice.
I don't know of any other places where people are building robots where you can test air vehicles, ground vehicles, and water vehicles on site and be only 15 minutes from downtown and have access to tech talent like we do here in Austin.
You don't see a lot of spaces like this where you have that cutting edge technology, makers and innovators all coming together looking at, how we can solve problems that perhaps we never even thought of before.
What's so cool about what Josh and Capital Factory are doing and have put together is just this creating a hub or a center of gravity for innovation and for startups, right? And just to enable people to have the courage to go out on their own and start their own company. And we want all of our engineers to come and learn what it is to make a product and then go out and start something of their own.
We found our investors, initial investors that we're very proud of through Capital Factory, and I'm really happy with the decision I made of joining Capital Factory.
To see that the community is putting together spaces like this to advance that technology, to help partner the industry with the stakeholders and end users, we can definitely move the needle faster, and I think we're going to get after that.